Greetings, fellow time travelers and history explorers. Are you ready to journey back through the mists of time? We're about to unlock the secrets hidden within the very building blocks of life itself. What if I told you that a single strand of DNA could rewrite everything you thought you knew about Scotland's ancient past? Forget what the history books say for a moment, because we're plugging directly into the genetic matrix of ancient Picts and Celts. This isn't just history. This is a genetic detective story, and you're coming along for the ride. For centuries, our understanding of Scotland's origins has been like a blurry photograph, pieced together from fragmented Roman accounts, crumbling stone circles, and epic poems passed down through generations. These sources are incredible, but they're incomplete, leaving huge gaps in the timeline. Who were the Picts, really? Where did the Scots come from? The historical record is full of whispers and shadows, a puzzle with most of the pieces missing. Traditional archaeology can only take us so far. It can show us how people lived, what they built, and how they fought. But it can't tell us who they were on a fundamental biological level. This is the great wall we've hit in our quest for the past. How do we break through it? How do we hear the voices of those who left no written records? The answer, my friends, isn't buried in the ground. It's encoded in us. Enter the game changer. Ancient DNA analysis. Think of it like a biological time machine. Scientists have become genetic archaeologists, able to carefully extract and sequence DNA from remains that are thousands of years old. Imagine a lab not unlike a starship's science bay, where technicians in clean suits gently drill into an ancient tooth or a fragment of bone. They're not looking for fossils. They're looking for the ghost in the machine, the genetic code. This process is incredibly delicate. The DNA is often shattered into millions of tiny pieces. Using powerful supercomputers, researchers act like cosmic puzzle solvers, painstakingly reassembling these fragments into a readable genome. It's like reconstructing a shredded library of ancient scrolls. Once they have this genetic blueprint, they can compare it to other ancient samples and to the DNA of modern populations across the globe. This allows them to trace epic migrations, map out family trees that span millennia, and reveal connections we never knew existed. They can literally see waves of ancient peoples moving across the land, mixing, and creating the genetic tapestry we see today. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the big reveal. Recent groundbreaking studies on DNA from ancient Scottish burial sites have dropped a bombshell. While we've long associated Scotland with Celtic and Norse heritage, the genetic data tells a deeper, more complex story. Analysis of remains from the Iron Age and the Pictish era revealed a strong genetic continuity with people who lived in Scotland thousands of years earlier, during the Bronze Age. This suggests that the arrival of Celtic languages and culture might have been more of a cultural exchange than a massive wave of migration and replacement. But here's the real twist. Scientists also found significant genetic markers linking these ancient Scots not just to their neighbors in Ireland and Scandinavia, but to populations from much farther afield, including the Iberian Peninsula, modern-day Spain, and Portugal. That's right. A significant portion of Scotland's foundational gene pool appears to have origins in a massive migration that swept up the Atlantic coast thousands of years ago. The story of Scotland isn't just a local tale. It's an epic, continent-spanning saga written in our DNA. The Picts weren't a lost, mysterious tribe that vanished. Their genetic legacy is alive and well, flowing through the veins of many modern Scots today. So what does this all mean? It means that our DNA is a living history book. This incredible research shows us that Scottish heritage is not a single, simple story, but a rich, layered tapestry woven from the threads of many different ancient peoples. It proves that cultures can shift and languages can change, but the genetic echoes of our ancestors remain. This isn't just science. It's a profound connection to our deepest roots, revealing a shared ancestry that is far more intricate and fascinating than we ever imagined. What do you think about these incredible findings? Does it change how you view Scottish history or even your own heritage? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one, and if you enjoyed this journey into the past, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we have many more mysteries to uncover together. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.